So guys, Blooket just dropped the Blizzard pack. And basically they dropped 3 new Chromas. So as usual, they of course did what they always do on the Blizzard and Spooky pack, and they changed it. So we have the red sweater elf right here, kind of obvious. We have the blue sweater elf, and then we have the elf sweater elf. Now, if you go right here, the rarest Blook in Blooket are all these Blooks that are 0.02. So those two are kind of tied with all of them. But today it has just been broken. The rarest Blook possible to get in a pack right now, and it can't be beaten unless you do 0.001. The elf sweater snowman. And it's right here. But yeah, that came out this afternoon. But random, yeah. So I know a lot of people, but they usually add like one random common or rare Blook. They didn't. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, they also changed Mark.